Hey everyone, Ryan here with another lead gen tactic to thrive in the current market. We're going to take a look now at Command's Designs applet, and you might know that you can utilize that to create marketing collateral across a variety of platforms. You can make print materials, social media posts, even videos using Command's Designs applet. But did you know that you can actually get Command to create those things for you? Let's take a look at how easy it is to utilize the auto create function in Designs to streamline your marketing creation even further. I'm here in Command's Designs applet. This is where all of the marketing creation magic happens. So let's start by clicking to create a new design here in the top right of my screen. And we're going to go ahead and create a post for our social media for the purposes of demonstration today. So let's select social as the type of design we're creating, but note that you do also have 3 other types. You can make print materials, email newsletters, or even videos as well. We're going to go ahead and proceed with social and click continue. And as the template library opens up, you might notice that the collection of templates that we're in by default is called auto create. This, my friends, is the easiest way for you to create some of the most frequently utilized designs without even having to click around and put in your own photos and text yourself. So let's take a look at how easy it is to utilize the auto create function. I'm going to say that I've got a new listing that just went up on the market, and it's time for me to tell everyone in my social sphere about it. So let's go ahead and click the just listing category. And from this category, you can see all the different types of templates that are available for you to leverage. If I'm posting this to my Instagram account or to my Facebook, a simple social media square should work just fine, and I like the look of this template. So in order to proceed with the creation process, I'm going to go ahead and hover over it and select from one of 2 options. I can either use to start editing it myself by hand, or we can proceed with the automated creation here by clicking auto. This is going to allow you to tap into the KWLS listing connection to pull in all the details of your property that just went on the market directly from the MLS. This is going to be huge when it comes to saving time and being a little bit more efficient when it comes to your day-to-day marketing activities. So all I need to do here is search for a listing on the market. Here's my home that I'd like to advertise, and click the select button next to it and click continue. As you can see, all of the details of this property pull in automatically into the creation tool here. So the listing address is already available, the price, the beds, baths, and even the year that it was built. Everything available from the MLS is also going to show up here. Let's go ahead and click to select a main image for this listing, and I will be shown all of the photos that are integrated through the MLS as well, available for me to select from. So as my hero photo it would be, I'm going to go ahead and click this one that shows the front of my home and click Generate Design. Just like that, Command is working for me to put in all of my listing details directly into this template I've selected. So all I need to do is give it a final once-over, put any finishing touches on it that might be relevant to my specific business, such as swapping out the KW logo here in the bottom right. And once I'm ready to proceed with utilizing this on my social media, all I need to do is click the done button here to be taken right back into Command. And just like that, my friends, you'll have a beautiful piece of marketing collateral that you can share on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or wherever your heart desires. Now, walking through it together took us about 5 minutes, but the Auto Create tool is going to save you so much more time in the long run when it comes to creating your marketing collateral. Get out there and get your hands dirty. Utilize the system to really work for you and be more productive, because remember, Command is all about supercharging your productivity for maximum efficiency. I hope you enjoyed this tip, and click on to the next video to see more lead gen tactics to help you thrive in the current market.